What is up, guys? Carglind here, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing something new. I'm gonna be making my first ever tutorial. Let's go! So this tutorial is gonna be on how to make a waveform inside of Scratch. Now I don't know about you, but I didn't know what waveforms were before I made this video. I just made a fun little thing in Scratch, and then I figured out they're called waveforms. So well, here we are. Let's just get to it. Let's just start. So you want to go ahead and press create, and you come right here. So you have this cat. This is the only sprite we're actually going to be using. So you can go inside and delete the cat. We just need an empty sprite. Then you want to go to the extensions and press pen. The extensions right here. And then we want to start off with a when green flag clicked block, and then we want to set this sprite to be right here. So we're going to type in for the X position minus 250 and for the Y 0, and then you want to make a variable named X, so that we can keep track of how it's moving, and then set X to minus 50 since we're starting there, so minus 250, sorry. And then you can set everything for the pen. You wanted the color to be red, and then I'll set the size of the pen to 8, so it's, yeah. Now you want to make the pen down so that it will actually draw, and then erase everything so you can't see any of that. Now you want to drag in a forever loop, and you want to go to variables and change X by 3. And then you want to go to my blocks right here and make a custom block that's called draw line, and then run it without screen refresh. Now you want to take draw line here. We're going to be coding this in a second. Now you want to drag an if statement, not if else, just an if, and then you want to bring out a more than block, and then you have if X is more than minus 250, then if X is more than 250, so if our line gets to here, then we want to reset it back. So we want to set X to minus 250 again. Then we want to go to the same position as we started. So that's going to be for the X minus 250, and then for the Y just 0. And then we want to erase all. Now for the other part, we want to code the draw line. You want to go and get a block, go to, and then go to the sensing and get the loudness block, because as if we flip. So if there's loud sounds, the line's gonna go up, but if there's no sound, it's gonna go down. So that's on the y-axis. So put the loudness on the y, and then take the x and put it where the x position is. Now now you're basically done. So let's hide the x variable and let's test it out. So I need to allow the sounds, but now you can see if I don't speak, it's just a straight line. But then when I speak, and I speak louder and louder, the line grows. So I'm touching the microphone, and the line, you can see it's spiking up. So yeah, that was the tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. That was Cardglind. Bye. Cardglind, I wanted to ask if you guys could please subscribe because we're trying to reach 100 subscribers. We're currently, I think, at 36, which is amazing. But please consider subscribing. It would help a lot for me to keep on making these videos. But thank you.